How's it going, guys? I'm Suzuki Ninja Taro. I work as a driving instructor. My future goal is to travel around the world on my own motorcycle. I'm training every day to make that dream come true. For example, if my tire goes flat in the mountains, I have to handle it on my own. But you can't just do that right away, so I'm learning skills from many people. This is my teacher, Mr. Maru. He used to be a factory manager at Toyota. He is an outstanding mechanic. Basically, the first step is to put on the spare tire. This time, I filmed a video about repairing the tire itself. Please check it out. He's the real deal, a true pro. Normally, this is a job for a car shop, even for me. So think of this video as a reference. First, take out whatever caused the puncture. Next, you use this tool to clean out the hole. Next, you use this tool to seal the hole. Now, trim off the extra piece. Finally, inflate the tire and check for any air leaks. Wow, look at the time. It's dinner time already. Let's call it a day. See you next time, Ninja. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.